How much does Samsung TV Plus cost? Samsung TV Plus is completely free, with no subscription fees, credit card requirements, or hidden charges. It provides access to hundreds of live TV channels and on-demand content without the need for a paid plan, making it a cost-effective alternative to traditional cable or streaming services. 1. No subscription or monthly fees. Samsung TV Plus is a free streaming service that does not require a monthly subscription or one-time purchase. It is automatically available on Samsung Smart TVs, select Samsung Galaxy devices, and web browsers. 2. Free live TV channels and on-demand content. Users get access to hundreds of live TV channels covering news, sports, entertainment, lifestyle, and movies. Additionally, the platform offers a collection of on-demand content, including TV shows and films, at no cost. 3. No extra equipment or contract required. Unlike traditional cable services, Samsung TV Plus does not require a cable box, satellite dish, or streaming device. Users can start watching immediately without signing contracts or entering payment details. 4. Supported devices and availability. Samsung TV Plus is available on Samsung Smart TVs, 2016 and newer models, Samsung Galaxy smartphones and tablets, web browsers on PCs and laptops via the Samsung TV Plus website. 5. Limitations of Samsung TV Plus. Although free, Samsung TV Plus has some limitations. It mainly offers older TV shows and movies instead of new releases. Channel selection varies by country, with some regions having fewer options. No DVR or offline viewing features, unlike paid streaming services. 6. How to access Samsung TV Plus. To watch Samsung TV Plus on a Samsung Smart TV, open the Samsung TV Plus app from the home menu. On a Samsung Galaxy device, launch the app or download it from the Samsung Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. On a web browser, visit the Samsung TV Plus website to stream content for free. Samsung TV Plus is 100% free, offering live TV channels and on-demand content without any costs. It is an excellent option for Samsung device users who want free entertainment without a subscription.